Let's understand question 3 in the series. The total cost in dollars to rent a surfboard consists of a $25 service fee. That means as soon as the person decides that he has to rent a surfboard, he has to pay $25 service fee. So here service fee is the initial cost. That means it has to be paid while booking the skateboard. So it is the initial cost. And $10 per hour's rental fee. Okay. So rate is like $10 per hour. So that is the rate. That means after every hour, he has to pay $10. A person rents a surfboard for 3 hours and intends to spend a maximum of $75 to rent the surfboard. Let's write some data. Suppose T is the number of hours where the person is going to rent the surfboard, and Y is the cost he or she has to pay. Now, as soon as the surfboard is fixed, that means number of times or number of hours is 0, the person has to pay $25. Now, this is really important. Why? Because when input is 0, here input is the time, then if it has a certain output, that is known as the initial value. Initial value. And if you compare it with y is equal to mx plus b, this b here is the initial value, which is 25. One data is placed correctly. Now after 1 hour, he has to pay $10. That means $35 after 1 hour. Then if he rents for 2 hours, $10 more added, which is 45. So because it is changing $10 every hour, so here rate of change is equal to 10. Rate of change is equal to 10. And what is rate of change? M, or you can say slope, is equal to 10. So here 10 is given. And X is representing the time here, which is the input. So let's replace it with 10. And now says maximum of $75. So that is the cost. That is the total cost. Y is the total cost here. Now he can spend maximum of 25. That means yes, he can spend 25 or less than 25. So that means less than or equal to 75, right? So 10t plus 25 should be less than or equal to 75. Let's see the option. No, first one is not correct because initial value or the service fee is not included. No, that is not the correct answer because here in this equation 10 is represented as the initial or the service fee. Wrong. Here $10 per hour is not mentioned. 25 plus 10t, yes, is less than or equal to 75. So D is the correct option.